If your iPhone isn't sending pictures, we will help you narrow it down, and the troubleshooting options ahead should get it fixed. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is try sending the picture to another contact. It is an effective way to narrow down the source of the problem. If a picture is not going to a particular contact, try sending it to another person. If the picture goes through, then nothing is wrong with your iPhone or network connection. Perhaps the person you've been sending the picture to without success isn't on iMessage, or the contact phone number is incorrect. It's also possible that the number has been deactivated or is no longer using iMessage. If that didn't work, you need to check if it is your network connection. If you are using cellular mobile data, check that you haven't exhausted your current internet plan or subscription. If, on the other hand, you are using a Wi-Fi connection, you should check that the router is active and transmitting data properly. The best thing you can do is just open up a random web page on the browser and see if it loads. If not, time to check your cellular or Wi-Fi's internet connection. If your network is working perfectly, but your iPhone still isn't sending pictures via iMessage, you should confirm that iMessage is enabled on your device. To do that, launch the iPhone settings menu. Scroll to the bottom and select Messages. If iMessage is disabled, toggle it on to activate. Alternatively, if the feature is enabled, you can disable it for a couple of minutes and re-enable it. That should help fix whatever issue is preventing the instant messenger from sending pictures. Now, try to send the picture to the recipient and check if it goes through. Now, the next couple scenarios is if your contact isn't on iMessage. Pictures would be sent via MMS, a form of regular text message that contains multimedia content over a cellular network. When your iPhone isn't sending pictures via the Messages app, check that MMS is enabled. Launch the iPhone Settings app, scroll to the bottom and tap Messages. Locate and toggle on the MMS messaging option. Finally, if all else fails, you should try to reset your network settings to fix anything wrong in the configuration process. To do that, launch the iPhone Settings menu, select General, scroll to the bottom and select Reset. Tap the Reset Network Settings option, enter your phone's passcode to initiate the network reset. As a token rule, I'd advise rebooting your device after this as well. Once done, set up your Wi-Fi or mobile data again and try sending your picture message. And, well, that was it. If you liked this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for your iPhone and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.